everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your ordinary photo into a stunning underwater style photo using Dreamface app. And the best part, it's super easy and completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, if you don't already have the Dreamface app, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And once it's installed, just open the app and then sign in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer a free plan that you will get weekly credits and a limited number of daily generations for photos and videos. So yes, you can do this tutorial without spending a single cent. Next, after you log in, you will land on the main homepage like this. And then in here, just tap on AI filter. And then on the new arrival sections, this one, search for underwater filter. This one, just tap on it. This filter will transform your photo into a dreamy ocean-like vibe like you on underwater. Next, just simply choose the photo that you want to transform. You can select from your gallery. It may be a portrait or any photo where you want to that magical underwater effects. And then after selecting the photo, just hit animate. And okay, like this, in just a few minutes, Dreamface will apply the underwater effects automatically like this. And as you can see, your photo now looks like it was taken deep under the sea. And I think it's super cool. So that's it, just a few easy steps to turn your photo into an amazing underwater styles photo using Dreamface. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!